How to reverse a video on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from CapCut, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually reverse a particular video on Snapchat. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we want to do is we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. After I update Snapchat, let's say I open it and then I log into my account, and then in order to actually reverse a video, I'm going to simply go ahead and record a particular video from left to right over here. Now let's say that this is the video which I want to reverse. Now currently it is going from left hand side to the right hand side on the screen. So what if I actually want to reverse it and then send it from right hand side to left hand side? Now there were many videos on internet saying that if you actually swipe and then swipe until you find the arrow icon, you would actually be able to reverse this video, but on my Android phone I wasn't able to find that option at all. So you can see as much as I swipe, there is no any option to actually reverse this video, not in the app itself. So the other thing I'm going to suggest you is that in order to reverse a video on Snapchat, you would actually have to do it with the help of a third-party application. And in order to do that, what I'm going to do is, first of all, let me go ahead and select this video. And if I actually want to reverse this video, I'm going to simply save this video by tapping on the arrow icon at the bottom right hand side of the screen. And what you want to do is you have to download an application on your iOS or Android. The application name is called CapCut. So this is the application which we actually want to download. Go ahead and simply download this application right over here, and I'm going to simply open it and then tap on the new project button at the top of the screen. Now here what I'm going to do is simply select the video which you actually just downloaded from Snapchat and the video which we actually want to reverse. Once you select the video, tap on add, and you can see that this is the video which I actually want to reverse. You can see currently it is going from left hand side to right hand side as well right over here. So if I actually want to reverse this video, what I can do is, after you open the timeline at the bottom left, you want to simply tap on the edit button. So go ahead and simply tap on edit. As you tap on edit here, you want to scroll all the way to the right hand side until you find the option called reverse. So right here at the right hand side, you'll be able to find an option called reverse. Go ahead and simply tap on reverse, and you can see that video is actually reversing itself. Now if I actually go ahead and play it from the beginning, now it is actually scrolling from the right hand side to left hand side right over here, as you can see. Now in order to save this particular video, on the top right, tap on this export icon. You can also go ahead and choose the resolution and frame rate if you want. I'm going to simply export this video, and then you can go ahead and upload this video to your Snapchat. Let me go ahead and open my Snapchat. After you open Snapchat, what you can do is tap on this photos icon at the bottom left of the screen. Now here what we want to do is we want to go to camera roll and then select the video which you actually just edited right over here. Once you tap on it, you could actually also remove the watermark. You can see we have actually reversed the video in that way. This was the way on how you could very easily reverse a video on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.